Uses for eucalyptus trees. The eucalyptus tree now grows in such places as South America, Europe, India and the southern US after its successful introduction from its native Australia. The trees have multiple uses besides being a main source of food for the koala bear, which consumes its leaves. Effects. The fact that eucalyptus trees needs huge amounts of water to grow make them a perfect tree to plant in places where malaria is rampant. Eucalyptus trees help to dry out swampy ground by sucking in moisture through their roots. Features. Eucalyptus wood can receive a polished finish. That combined with its hardness makes it a desirable wood for such things as shipbuilding, constructing docks and home interior woodwork. Considerations. The inner bark of eucalyptus is a source of fiber that Australians employ to make paper and cord. Aussies also use eucalyptus for a fuel source and value the bark for tanning purposes. Eucalyptus oil. The leaves of eucalyptus trees have a form of oil within them that makes them a key ingredient in such types of things as antiseptics, deodorants and stimulants. Function. Eucalyptus trees are great ornamental trees and are useful in forming windbreaks.